Today we're finding how you can find a fractional part of a group. Now this is going to lead into multiplication with fractions. And so as we go along, just see how this might work with multiplication. If I want to find 4/5 of 20, how am I going to do that? Well, let's start by drawing a picture. I'm going to have this whole cake. And in here, I have 20 specks. But I'm going to look over here and I'm going to say, what does this mean over here? This means I have 4 out of 5. So I know that I need to make my cake have 5 pieces. And this is going to be a little bit tricky. So I'm going to go like this. And I'm going to say that that is, no, that's not equal pieces. So let's redo that. And let's go like this. 1, 2, 4. Those look like even pieces. So I have 20 total. Now, how would I put 20 sprinkles on this cake so that I have equal numbers in each group? Well, if I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. I believe now that I have 20 sprinkles there, and I put them equally into groups. That's kind of important. I have 20 sprinkles, and now I want to see what is 4/5 of 20. Well, I have fifths, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 pieces, so 5 make a whole, but I only want 4 of them. So I'm going to go ahead and just do 4. Now, how many sprinkles are there when I have 4 pieces? 4 out of the 5. Well, I have 4, 8, 12, 16. So 4/5 of 20 is 16 out of 20. Or I could go 16 over 20. Well, if you take a look, just for some coolness, if I do 4/5 times 20, that is the same as 4/5 of 20. And 4/5 of 20, we found out, equals 16. I'm going to leave it there and let you link this to what we learn next. Alright, in our next problem, we have 12. But we want 2/3 of 12. So I'm going to say, I want 2/3 of 12. And so I'm going to draw a picture again, and I want my total, my whole, to be 12. I want 12 in there. But I'm going to draw my pieces first because I want to spread that 12 out evenly. So notice that we have 3 pieces total. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to put 12 in there. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I spread my 12 pieces out evenly among the 3 pieces, and it looks like I have 4 in each piece. So now if I want 2/3, I want the first piece, and I want the second piece, and I have 2/3. Well, how many is in 2/3? I have 4 and then 8. So 2/3 of 12 equals 8. 2/3 of 12 is 8. Because of my picture up here, I can see that there are 8 dots in 2 pieces, with 3 making it all of them. So another way of saying that is 2/3 times 12 equals 8, because of the picture we see right there. Lastly, I'm going to do 3/4 of 16. Now when I take 16 this time, I'm going to go ahead and put them in groups, 4 groups. So here's the beginning of my groups. I have one group started here, one group started here, one group started here, and then my last group. And I'm just going to keep putting these x's in until I run out of 16 x's. So I have 4 x's, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So I have 16 x's, and I wanted to make sure that I made 4 groups. Do you see the groups? I have one group here, another group, and my last group. So now I'm saying, well, I want 3/4 of 16. So I want 3 of those groups. 1, 2, 3. I only want 3 of them, not 4. I want 3/4. So how much is 3/4? Looks like we have 4, 8, 12. So 12 equals 3/4 of 16.